Hey, what is up, guys? This is the AM Trader, and I am going to do a recap on today's trade, May 28th, 2021. And today, the only stock that I traded on or focused on was VTNR. VTNR was the previous gapper, and yeah, it gapped up 50% today, and traded it on pre-market, and now um, I'm done trading and made only $100 out of it, $104. Should have made $150, but this loss right here is really big one for this. Oh yeah, and you may wonder why I have not been posting videos on since Monday. The reason why is because I lost big um, money on Monday on I forgot the name of the stock, but let's kind of go through that because the reason why I make this video is to be accountable and to be transparent. And so yeah, May 24th, 2021, lost $700. This is the only stock that I traded. Stupid. Um, beginner's mistake, guys. We'll just go through that real quick. SBBP was um, on a gap scanner, and yeah, um, I was aggressive with it in the pre-market, thinking that it was gonna go above 4. This is was had a good news. I thought it was great actually. 24 May 24th. Let's see here, May 24th. This is the yeah. So it was acquisition. It's announced that Zuris Pharmaceuticals Incorporation to acquire Strongbridge Biopharma. What is PLC? I don't know. In stock and CVR transaction. So when I saw that, I was like, wow, this is actually great news. And so I was hoping I was going to go to 4, but didn't. So my profit target was $4. Instead, yeah. So here's the bounce. Is 5 a.m. my time, which is 7 a.m. Eastern time, and it was a bounce on VWAP. Bounce on VWAP is, I love that strategy, or breakout of VWAP. I love that. But yeah, so as it break, I got in with big shares, 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares, and I was making $200 here. Didn't take the gain. Instead, I held it through. Didn't cut my loss here. This is one rule, right? I should always, if it's going down, just get out. But I thought I was gonna bounce because of the news that people is gonna volume is gonna pick up, and buying volume is gonna pick up, but didn't. And so instead, hold it all the way, held it all the way. It dropped, bought some more here as it crawls back up with another 1,000 shares, and it dropped lower and bought some more. Never recovered, guys. This gray line right here is my average. That's where I got in, and here's my average. Never touched my average at all, and so I was upset. It dropped lower here and bought some more. Look at this candle, right? From 280 all the way to 260. Bought some more here, but never touched my average line here, guys. I averaged down pretty low, but never got it. Wasn't able to get it up above. So yeah, and it was trading between 270 and 273, I think. Yeah, and so I was not able to sell beyond that. I mean, look at that candle. It was like so manipulated. And yeah, so finally took my loss here, and I'm out. I'm like, never gonna trade again on SBBP. So that's the loss that made me stop recording because I was so down. And yeah, another reason why, I mean, like, look, I was holding it all the way to 10 o'clock. My kids are already awake and running around, and too much noises, and I'm like, nope, not gonna be able to do a recap on this one. But anyway, so now I'm back. Hopefully I can be able to get this working and be able to finish this recording. And so yeah, today I traded on VTNR. Let's look at it. And yeah, learn from my mistakes, guys. When you make that green, just be happy, be glad that you made that green. You know, don't complain. It's like $100, $200 was better than $700 loss. I mean, $1 even, right? It was better than $700 loss, $800 loss. I mean, think about it, guys. You got to be disciplined. And yeah, you know, with Thinkorswim, especially with Thinkorswim, right? Your fees is really minimum, and so I think I only had like 40 cents fee there on that trade, but man, I chose this $800 loss than taking a $1 gain. So think about that, guys. Anyway, today VTNR was $3. And so it gapped up, right? Uh, Pre-market, I cannot trade before 5. So right at 5, I saw this thing dropping, and it was dropping hard. It was very volatile here. It went from $6 all the way down to 5.65, right? The high of this candle, let's look at it. If I can move this over. The high, where is the high? Oh, okay. So the high is right here, right? The high was 664, 666, 666, dropped all the way down to 560. A dollar dropped, right? And so I didn't buy the view bounce here because VTNR is only 51 million and this can be very manipulated. And so didn't buy it, dropped lower, didn't buy this one right here. And so the reason why I didn't buy it until here was because this is a break of the trend line there. So right when it broke, I got in with big shares, and I was like, you know, I learned my lesson. I learned my lesson, right? Take that $100 gain, not losing $700. And so right when I got in, 1,000 shares right there, right as it spiked, I was like, yep, that's it. I'm out with $100 gain. Actually, I made $130 there. If you guys look here, right? 135 plus 4, so about 130, what, $9. And so that was the first trade. And then it dropped, of course. You know, again, take your gain, take your gain, learn from my mistakes. I'm a beginner trader, by the way, 2 years in it, and have learned quite a lot. Now it's just I need to apply it and be able to stay disciplined and be consistent and stay green. Anyway, so as this right going down, you make a trend line, right? You make a trend line right here. I did drew my trend line. Of course, I change it as it goes, and so it broke this, got in again, and then sold, taking my gain. And here is where the big loss is, right here, right? Only small gains, right? 10 shares here and there. I made $6 here, but yeah. So up to here, I was already making 150, I think, 135, 140, 43, 44. Yeah, about $150. I already made $150, and then this happens, right? So I was in with 10 shares. I sold the 10 shares up here in 634, right? And then saw that it continues spiking. I chased it and bought more down here, right when it started dropping. Yeah, and so it just continued dropping. I added more, double down right here, thinking that there's going to be a bounce on the open, at the open. Didn't. dropped hard, and right here I was like, this is probably it, right? This is it for VTNR. It's been up since $3, and now it's 3 to 6. That's huge a gain, and people are selling off, and so shorters are coming in. They want to take advantage of that, and I was getting scared, so everybody's panic selling. I'm selling, and so that's when I sold my shares for a $49 loss. And as this broke the trend line from here, yeah, here to here. Oh, come on. Thinkorswim, let's go. Here we go. Oh, oh, come on, really? Sorry guys, Thinkorswim is not working at this moment. But anyway, yeah. So there was a trend line here. Come on, can we do it? No. Okay. So maybe I have too many lines. I don't know. Clear. So I made a never mind. Okay. So I made a trend line right over here, right? And right when it broke that, I'm like, oh, is this gonna go up now? Right? So I got in, I chased it. 641 right up here. Look at this candle. Right? 640, 650 was the high. I was thinking it was gonna continue, but nope. 641 was it. Drop, added more, and then finally when it went on defensive mode, right when it crossed my average, I sold it. And then I made about $2.40 on that. And so yeah, that was the trade on VTNR. Of course, VTNR continue going up. Missed that whole move, and I'm like, forget it. I'm not gonna trade that. It's you know, Fridays is usually my red days anyway, so I'm not gonna force trades and be FOMO about it. Anyway, some of these are the rest of these is my long term. GOED I got in on GOED for long term, and I'm holding it maybe a couple of days maybe. But VXX, TVTX, they were very volatile. Let's see, TVTX trade this morning or closed my um, trade this morning. Should have held longer. That's one thing that I need to work on, being able to hold longer. And yeah, let's do 3 days. So here, TVTX, it dropped. Let me just clear this. All right. So I traded TVTX a couple of days ago. Yeah, yesterday. Sorry, not a couple of days ago. Yesterday it was dropping hard. I bought it right here at 14.55, and it gapped up. It went up, spiked up, and I didn't sell it up here. I wanted to sell it up there, but I was kind of hesitant. I was thinking I was going to continue, but it didn't. So I missed out on that whole profit there. Instead, I added, or I tried to add more down here, but was not able to get filled. And so, oh, I did get filled right here. Added more there, I guess. And because it's downtrend, right? Sorry guys, let me look at this again. Okay, so that's my entry right there. It gapped up. I was gonna sell it right there, didn't sell it, and so it dropped lower. I wanted to buy more here. Need to cancel that, cancel all, and missed that, right? And now it's gapping up, and I sold it right here for a small gain. TVTX, sorry, this is, yeah, TVTX only made about 3%, $5.40. This is just today's gain because, yeah, I don't know how Thinkorswim does it, but yeah, that's that's that. TVTX, $5 gain. VXX was the other one. Now VXX, I also traded this yesterday, and look at the volatility on this. It's crazy. It dropped and it continued dropping. It jumped up here. I thought I was gonna continue, but nope. It just continued dropping, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait. I'll wait until it dropped lower, and sure enough, it dropped lower. And I was like, okay, I'm buying double down right here at $60, $33 with 60 shares, and yep, it dropped lower. I was like, okay, I'm not adding any more until tomorrow. But yeah, it didn't go lower than what I thought it was gonna go, which is like $30, and instead it started gapping up and saw my profit, broke my average, took my profit, and I'm out with a small gain. So that was my swing trade. I need to hold this longer, but um, I'm still learning about swing trading. I'm not usually trading long, but so far I like it. It's been good winning rate for me, and so yeah, um, you know, five, six, seven, eight, $9. That's not bad for me. Green is still green. Anyway, so now I'm on GOED. Let's look at GOED. GOED has an offering. However, the target price on this was $2.25, and so I'm waiting for that, right? I'm setting my target high, 225, 222 for $40 gain. Again, small shares. I'm not gonna go big on swing trade. The reason why I don't go in with big size on swing trades is because this has a, I mean, look at it, right? What happened? I mean, let's say you thought this was the best area to buy, and suddenly look at this, hold overnight, boof, drop. What are you gonna do now, right? What are you gonna do? You're stuck, and so yeah, I don't want that to happen. That's the reason why I don't want to hold too long. So when I see that green, I'm out. Here I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit because this is way low. So yep, that's my trade on GOED. I also started a new account here with $1,000 shares. So far, I've been green on it. Of course, I've lost big one. Again, one loss, but huge. So need to work on that, being able to be consistent and stay positive, right? And so yeah, staying consistent and hopefully be able to grow this small account. And so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, if you guys learned something, um, hit the like and subscribe. And that's it. Take care, guys. Stay green and have a great day. And yeah, on Monday there's no trading because of the Memorial Day, I believe. But yeah, take care.